Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is HoMedics Indoor Tabletop Fountain. This 3-tier fountain is well designed and aesthetically pleasing, bringing a sense of calm to any room it is placed in. Because of its small, tabletop size, it will fit in most places, including your desk, coffee table, bookshelf, or bedroom dresser. It comes with river rocks to add a natural touch, and it has a light so you can see the water even in a dimly lit room. The sounds of trickling water are soothing and calming. Although its submersible motor is relatively quiet, some users recommend placing it on a pad or mat to further muffle the sound. It also has an on or off switch for when you want to take a break from the trickling water sound, and it is simple to assemble and clean. The main disadvantage is that the light cannot be easily replaced when it burns out. Bring a calming, zen, and decorative feel to any room. 3 tiers create a gentle soothing flow of water replicating the sights and sounds of a tranquil spring. Quiet, built-in, submersible pump automatically circulates the water, keeping it free of algae buildup. Plug the corded power supply into an outlet to turn on. Flip the off switch to turn off. Number 2 in this best tabletop fountains list is Alpine Tabletop Fountain. Create a soothing ambience in your home with the Alpine Corporation tiered column tabletop fountain. The soothing sounds of a cascading water stream flowing down each tier and the warm glow of the tea-light candles create a tranquil mood in your space, ideal for meditation or a romantic dinner. Thanks to the weathered pillars that resemble natural stone and real river rocks, this mini fountain features a rustic character that adds a touch of natural charm to your decor. Perfect for creating a serene and romantic ambience in any space of your choice, such as your living room, bedroom, bathroom, or office. Features natural stone-like pillars and real river stones for a rustic charm that helps brings the beauty of the outdoors to your indoor spaces, creates a beautiful centerpiece for your dining table, coffee table, or kitchen island. A water stream trickles from each tier mimicking the comforting sounds of a small waterfall. Tea-light candles create a subtle and warm glow for a zen-like ambience to calm your mind. Simply plug into an outlet, fill lower basin with water, and the interior pump will create a lovely water flow. No elaborate installation needed. Let's watch more. Our third pick is Kenroy Home Indoor Table Fountain. Kenroy Home Spillway Indoor Fountain brings a sense of relaxation and refreshment to any indoor space. The natural green slate is paired with real copper step platforms, allowing water to run in a zigzag pattern down into the river stone-filled basin, delivering the peaceful, soft sound of flowing water where you need it most. Over time, these platforms will take on a gorgeous natural patina, creating your own stunning work of weathered art. This indoor water fountain is perfectly sized for your desks or console tables, so you can enhance your home office, study, or foyer with a zen-like atmosphere. With its step-by-step guide, it provides clear instructions for setting up your new waterfall fountain. The fountain is tall and rectangular in shape. Squares and rectangles are also associated with the earth element, but are small enough to fit on a table. It's also very simple to maintain because the pump is easily accessible for maintenance. Best of all, this fountain emits a soothing sound of flowing water into your home. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best tabletop fountains list is Bits and Pieces Tabletop Fountain. Bits and Pieces indoor tabletop fountains create a soothing accent for any home or office. The sound of the water flowing is instantly relaxing and adds a sense of peace and tranquility to your environment. While the sound of water flowing through a fountain can be soothing, a loud motor can detract from the tranquil atmosphere. Customers praise Bits and Pieces Water Lily Fountain for its virtually silent motor. It is only intended for indoor use and measures 8 by 10 inches. It's the ideal size, with a nice, powerful submersible pump that can push water up the main stem and down to the other flowers. The water lily fountain features copper-colored metal blooms and metal leaves that have a green patina. Nature lovers can reconnect with the outdoors even while inside. This indoor water fountain is ideal for home decor as it is compact and lightweight. You can add river stones or accessories to the bowl for an ever-changing fountain scene, giving it a more natural look. Each indoor fountain includes a whisper-quiet, electric recirculating pump that plugs into standard indoor electrical wall outlets. The water gracefully flows down into the bottom pool, where it is returned to the top of the fountain. Let's watch more. Last in this list is Namaste Buddha Table Fountain. This Namaste Buddha water fountain to bring water into your home for an extra touch of spirituality and style. This one measures 11.5 by 8.4 by 7 inch and depicts Buddha in the Namaste position, while other versions in various sizes depict Buddha in various positions. A soothing glow emanates from a light above his head, and a 4-watt light bulb, as well as the pebbles over which the water flows, are included. It's a lovely addition to any room, and the sound it makes is soothing and relaxing. While some people complain that the sound of water isn't loud enough for them, others argue that this can be fixed by adding more water. This indoor tabletop fountain depicting a Buddha sitting amongst rocks. Perfect for meditating, this peaceful design comes with a light for easy illumination. Constructed of fiberglass, this tabletop fountain is lightweight and easy to move. Faux stone finish. Lightweight fiberglass construction. Decorative real pebbles are included. Comes with water pump, LED bulb, and 6 feet of cord. Fast and easy setup.